Did you hear the derailed train? And did you smell dioxin rain? Did you see the black burn earth? Do you feel all the mothers who can't give birth? Fish in the river, they all died young. Big brother's gonna smother in the hell he's done right now. It's time to destroy those who destroy the earth. It's time for the common man to find his own worth. Hail to the bureaucrats, the fat cats, the black hats. It's time to destroy those who destroy the earth. Alright, well it's alright. Stand up. That's right. Stand up. It's Revelations 11:18 for what they've done down in Palestine, and I pray that justice will be served and they get what they deserve. I trust they'll reap just what they've sown when the truth comes out and it's all made known. It's time to destroy those who destroy the earth. It's time for the common man to find his own worth. Hail to the bureaucrats, the fat cats, the black hats. It's time to destroy those who destroy the earth. Alright, well it's alright. Stand up. That's right. Stand up. I hope we all will make it. I guess the time will tell. But when he calls, we'll go to heaven. They can go to hell. Did you hear the derailed train? Did you smell dioxin rain? Did you see the black burn earth? You feel all the mothers who won't give birth? Fish in the river, they all died young. Big brother's gonna smother